Johnnie Sangster. I'll trim the gabble o' my sheep for you, the gallant banster. A morning piece of liner cheek afore the wiggy forder, with clouds of blue tobacco smoke we then set out in order. The sheep's are rising thick in face and Johnny him unbind them. The busy group for fear the sick they winna look behind them. For you Johnny, you my Johnnie Sangster, I'll trim the gabble o' my sheep for you, the gallant banster. I'll gie you bands that when I slip, I'll pleat them, wheel and thaw them, and sure they win a time the grip, whoever wheel you draw them. I'll lay my leg, retire the sheath, and draw the bands sae handy. We elk a stray, a stracks a rash, and that will be fine dandy. For you Johnny, you my Johnnie Sangster, I'll trim the gabble o' my sheep for you, the gallant banster. If there a chance to be my lot that I should get a banster, I'll guard him wear a gentle coat and gie him gowd and handfuls. But Johnny he can please himself, I win the think and blink it. See after he's brewed his ale he can nice it down and drink it. For you Johnny, you my Johnnie Sangster, I'll trim my gabble o' my sheep for you, the gallant banster. A dainty cooey in the bow for butter and for cheeses, a grumpy feeding in the side to keep the goose in creases. A bonny huey in the butt would help to crease the ladle, and we'll get straps so canny wood to help to keep the cradle. For you Johnny, you my Johnnie Sangster,